To be honest, this is really, truly an honor to be awarded with such award. I am really touched, and I only can dedicate this award to our uh, team and to our staff for their professional work that we have done.
COVID or no COVID, it's really a responsible business when it was established in 1998. We are consistent with giving back to the communities where we operate.
We've come through an amazing journey with a team that I genuinely feel has got an unstoppable culture. So, to get this recognition now is absolutely about the team. It's absolutely about what we've created, and more than anything, the industry, what they've delivered in the last 1 year is huge.
Yeah, of course, I think technology is the backbone of TriStar operations because we do a difficult job. Energy logistics is one of the most difficult jobs where safety and visibility is very key. And we are the first ones, probably in this region, to implement blockchain technology for customer visibility, giving customer experience. I think that's really helped us a lot.